Asahi is nagsimula talaga kami. Noong 1982, electric fan talaga yung we started with a floor fan hanggang sa na-develop ni Asahi. We produce our own fan. Dahil ngayon sobrang init na talaga, sir. Kahit aircon natin, minsan hindi na kaya yung init.
Saka walang patayan yan. Ang
Yes,
electric
walang
fan, pag
patayan.
binuksan mo yan sa morning hanggang gabi na.
Yes, sir. So that's why we produce the inverter type ng fan. So this one consumes 50% nung conventional electric fans.
Okay, so tipid pa siya.
So ito, sobrang tipid niya, 50%. So it runs at half nung wattage nung mga same size fans
But
niya.
power-wise, it's still the same.
It's still the same.
Yeah.
At ang isa sa kagandahan nito, sir, mas tahimik siyang mag-operate. And in addition, with our inverter, it comes with a remote. For example, you put it sa kwarto mo, so gusto mo nang patayin yung aircon, you can turn on the electric fan nang hindi ka na tumatayo sa kama mo. So it comes with a remote and a timer. So pwede natin siyang i-time. For example, gusto mong palamigin pa lang yung kwarto mo just to save more energy kasi ang aircon, it operates. Itigil lang siya kapag na-reach na yung certain temperature. So with the helps ng inverter natin, mas mabilis niyang mapapalamig yung room na gusto mong palamigin. We also have here the ice cooling fan.
Yeah.
So this one is best for outdoors.
Yeah.
At ang kagandahan kasi with ice cooling fan, especially sa Pilipinas, may times na very dry nung hangin natin. Yung sinasabi nga nila sa balita na iba yung feeling for the heat index.
Yes, so this one cools it with you when you put ice and water.
Yes po.
Para ka
So,
nang may aircon, no? Outdoor,
Yeah, actually,
in a way.
para siyang may aircon outdoor, mas nagiging damp yung hangin, mas feel mo na mas malamig.
Great, galing talaga ng Asahi. Alam nyo, all these fans and coolers are available in Ace Hardware nationwide. So if you guys are looking for ways to cool your home no this summer, do consider no and actually check out the Asahi fans available in Ace Hardware.